In the silent theatre of the cosmos, where stars ignite and fade across eons, a new act begins. A drama of discovery unfolds. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, with each generation building upon the last, searching for a reflection of ourselves, a cosmic kinship. Today, June 20th, 2025, a day etched in the annals of space exploration, we receive something extraordinary, an image, a beacon from the void. Not just data, numbers and wavelengths, but a portrait of Proxima Centauri b, our nearest exoplanet neighbour, a world tantalizingly close yet impossibly far. The James Webb Space Telescope, our sentinel in the stars, has given us the clearest view yet of this distant world, piercing through the cosmic dust. Proxima b is no longer a mere point on a graph, a statistical anomaly. It's a landscape with features and secrets, a tangible place we can almost touch with our imaginations. This image challenges us to rethink what's possible, to redefine the boundaries of our understanding, and pushes us to ask, are we alone? Is life a rare spark or a common flame in the universe? The fog has lifted. We see the shores of another world, a silent neighbour revealed at last, beckoning us closer. The implications stretch beyond astronomy, rippling outwards to touch every facet of human knowledge, touching philosophy, forcing us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme, biology, prompting us to wonder about the very nature of life itself and our own story, our origins and our destiny. For so long, our solar system was our only example. Now we have a new world to compare, a new data point in the cosmic equation. This is not just a discovery, it's a new context for our existence, a paradigm shift in how we perceive the universe and our role within it. A new page in the cosmic story has turned, filled with untold possibilities and unanswered questions. The journey to answer the greatest question has just leaped forward, propelling us towards a future filled with wonder and discovery. Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries, where we explore the vast expanse of space and the wonders it holds. Today, we embark on a journey to visit our closest stellar neighbour, the intriguing Proxima Centauri. This small star holds big secrets. Proxima Centauri is a faint red dwarf, gravitationally bound in a fascinating triple-star system. It dances around the brighter Alpha Centauri A and B. Though invisible to the naked eye from Earth due to its dimness, it holds secrets perhaps more profound than its brighter stellar siblings in the Alpha Centauri system. Orbiting this star, a mere 4.2465 light-years away, is the exoplanet Proxima b, a tantalizing world in our cosmic backyard. Discovered in 2016 through the radial velocity method, by observing its subtle gravitational tug on its host star, Proxima b is estimated to be roughly Earth-sized. This makes it a prime target for further study. What makes this exoplanet even more exciting is that it orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone. This Goldilocks region, where temperatures are just right, could potentially allow for the existence of liquid water on its surface. And where there's water, there's potential, at least in theory, for life as we know it. Proxima b's relative proximity makes it the closest known exoplanet to our solar system, solidifying its place as our most compelling first interstellar destination. Learning as much as we can about Proxima b is akin to carefully scouting a new and promising land before embarking on a truly great voyage of discovery. Is it a rocky world like Earth or Mars? Does it possess a protective atmosphere capable of shielding its surface from harmful radiation? And perhaps most importantly, could it hold liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we understand it? These fundamental questions have been driving the work of dedicated astronomers and scientists for many years. It's not just Proxima b's proximity that makes it so special and worthy of intense study. It's the tantalizing possibility that it could, in some ways, resemble our own Earth. Indeed, if we were to discover definitive signs of habitability on Proxima b, it would strongly suggest that the fundamental building blocks of life are far more common throughout our galaxy than we previously thought. In many ways, Proxima b is like a mirror, one that could potentially reflect our own world's past, present and future, or perhaps reveal something entirely new and unexpected about the possibilities for life beyond Earth. To see a world so incredibly far away, a world beyond our solar system requires more than just a simple glance. It demands a tool capable of bridging the immense cosmic distances. To unravel the secrets of these distant realms, we needed a special eye, an instrument unlike any other. That eye is the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Unlike its predecessor Hubble, Webb sees in infrared a portion of the electromagnetic spectrum invisible to our eyes. It perceives the light of heat, the faint glow emitted by celestial objects. This infrared vision allows it to peer through cosmic dust and see the faintest, most distant objects in the universe, objects hidden from view by visible light. Imagine the universe as a noisy room filled with the cacophony of countless stars and galaxies. Webb listens for a quiet frequency, a specific wavelength of infrared light that cuts through the chatter, allowing it to isolate and study the whispers of distant worlds. To do this effectively, it must be incredibly cold, approaching absolute zero. It's shielded from the sun's heat and light by a tennis court-sized sun shield, a multi-layered barrier that keeps its sensitive instruments at a frigid temperature. Its giant gold-coated mirror, composed of hexagonal segments, collects faint light from Proxima b and other distant exoplanets. This collected light is then focused onto advanced instruments, state-of-the-art sensors designed to analyze the faintest signals. These instruments analyze the light, dissecting its properties and revealing a planet's temperature. They can even determine the composition of its atmosphere. And now, with unprecedented clarity, even surface features are becoming visible. To achieve this level of detail, Webb used direct imaging in conjunction with a coronagraph. The coronagraph acts as a tiny mask, carefully positioned to block the star's overwhelming glare. This allows the telescope to capture Proxima b's faint reflected light, a feat previously thought impossible. Through long exposures, meticulously gathered data and complex processing techniques, astronomers have turned a mere speck of light into a detailed portrait of another world. This level of detail and discovery was once confined to the realm of science fiction. But now, thanks to Webb, it's a tangible reality. Webb's groundbreaking technology has ushered in a new era of discovery, transforming our understanding of the cosmos. We can now study distant worlds with unprecedented detail and clarity, unlocking secrets that were previously beyond our reach. The universe, once a distant and enigmatic realm, is no longer out of reach. We are seeing new frontiers unfold before our eyes, one breathtaking image at a time. Light from Proxima b, after years in the void, was finally captured by Webb's golden mirror. The data streamed back, a secret waiting to be revealed. When the image resolved, humanity saw a new world tidally locked, with one side in endless day, the other in perpetual night. The day side glows in dim red light, showing dark volcanic plains and brighter highlands, perhaps even patches of frost. The image is sharp enough to hint at complex geology and a dynamic history. The most captivating feature is the terminator line, the twilight zone between day and night. Here the terrain appears more temperate, possibly suitable for liquid water. Frozen oceans may exist on the night side, with melting along the terminator. If a thick atmosphere exists, it could create a habitable band in this twilight strip. Each pixel is a new mystery, a map of a new frontier. Proxima b is no longer theory. It's a place inviting us to explore. Picture the control room at the Space Telescope Science Institute. Anticipation hangs in the air. Days of data from Webb have built to this moment. The final algorithm runs, and the image appears not a blur, but a world. Scientists, young and old, are transfixed, some in awe, some in tears. They are the first humans to see the surface of a planet beyond our solar system. In that moment, they are explorers, tracing geography with their fingertips. Years of work and doubt vanish, replaced by pure discovery. This is the human side of science: wonder, curiosity, and the need to understand our universe. The weight of history is felt. This image will inspire generations. In that silent room, they are connected to every human who's ever looked up and wondered. The image changes everything. It's a new beginning for exploration. The dream of discovery is alive. With this image, the question becomes urgent. Could there be life on Proxima b? The presence of frost or ice near the terminator is monumental. Water is essential for life. Next, Webb spectrographs will analyze light from these regions, searching for water vapor. If found, it suggests an active water cycle and a thin, humid atmosphere in the twilight zone. Webb will also hunt for biosignatures, gases like methane and oxygen that hint at life. The image lets scientists target the most promising regions for these searches. Proxima B's environment is harsh, with powerful stellar flares. Any life would need to be resilient, perhaps underground or beneath ice. But now, the search for life is direct, not just theoretical. We're no longer asking if life is out there, we're asking where. Today we've glimpsed the surface of another world, a neighbour we're just beginning to know. The image from Webb is more than science. It's a shared human experience. This is only the beginning. Webb and other telescopes will keep observing, revealing more about Proxima B's climate, geology and atmosphere. Each new discovery brings this world into sharper focus. Proxima B is just one chapter in a vast cosmic story. There are billions of planets in our galaxy, each with its own possibilities. What we learn here will guide our search for life across the stars. This is a stepping stone into the cosmic ocean. Thank you for joining us on Cosmic Discoveries. The universe is vast and full of wonders. Our journey is just beginning. Stay curious and keep exploring.